Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the setup process for the TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi repeater. This handy device is designed to boost your Wi-Fi signal and eliminate dead zones throughout your home. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the TP-Link AC750. Inside the box, you'll find the repeater itself, a quick installation guide, and a power plug. Make sure you have everything you need before we start. Placement is crucial for optimal performance. Plug the TP-Link AC750 into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. The location should be within the range of your existing Wi-Fi signal. Next, we need to connect to the repeater. On your computer or smartphone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and search for the network named TP-Link_extender. Once you find it, select the network and connect to it to proceed with the setup. First things first, let's unbox the TP-Link AC750. Inside the box, you'll find the repeater itself, a quick installation guide, and a power plug. Make sure you have everything you need before we start. You'll now see a login screen. The default username and password are both set to admin. Simply enter these credentials into the respective fields, then click on Login to access the repeater's configuration settings. Once logged in, you'll see the setup wizard. Click on Quick Setup to begin. Select your region and click Next. The repeater will scan for available networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list and click Next. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. The repeater will now configure itself and connect to your network. This may take a few minutes. Once done, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish. You're almost done. Disconnect from the repeater's Wi-Fi network and reconnect to your main Wi-Fi network. The TP-Link AC750 should now be boosting your Wi-Fi signal. Check the signal strength in the areas that previously had weak coverage. If you run into any problems or need help, our team of professional experts is ready to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. And that's a wrap on resetting your TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi repeater. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.